Hey, Money Magnets, I found a $50,000 personal loan that can help you consolidate some of your credit card debt with Truliant Federal Credit Union.
Look, guys, Americans are in $1.2 trillion worth of credit card debt as of last quarter. Guys, we got to get this debt down. So, we're doing this video to tell you about debt consolidation.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I want to give a shout out to Keith that dropped the comment that we do a review on this credit union. So, guys, remember, drop those comments and make sure you like and share these videos.
Okay, Money Magnets, let's dive into the first credit card that this credit union has to offer, which is the Visa Platinum Rewards card. Now, with this card, it doesn't come with those wonderful sign on bonuses or anything like that because you have to keep in mind a lot of credit unions, they're all about the community, okay? So they're going to come with other amazing benefits. Now, with this particular card, you do have to pay if you pay your card late. There is a late fee. Or if you bounce a check paying your credit card, there is a fee for that. Now, don't worry, Money Magnets, because this credit union still is going to be a gem for you. Now, Marvin, let's dive into the next card.
All right, Glory. The next card is the Visa Transparent Card. It has a limit that goes up to $30,000. Look, no annual fee, no late fees, no transaction fees, no foreign fees, no nothing. This is a great card
Yes.
to have as an everyday card without all the extra fees. But remember, if you're a business owner and you want to get up to $250,000 for your business, Gloria and I will give you a free business strategy call. Look in the description below. But Gloria, let's tell them about the personal loans that they offer. These loans are incredible.
Okay, Money Magnets, let's jump into the personal loan, okay? So the personal loan goes from $500 all the way up to $50,000. Now, this would be a good way for you to start consolidating some of those credit card debts and pay them down and get your score up higher.
Exactly. And Gloria, they have the debt consolidation loan that goes up to 84 months. That's a long time. If you take five or six
Yes.
credit cards and you combine them all into one payment, now you got a lower payment and a longer time to pay it off. But remember, guys, don't fall into the trap of not paying them off. Make sure that you maybe double up on that payment so you can get it paid off faster. Also, Gloria, they got a personal convenience loan that goes up
Mm-hmm.
to $50,000 for 84 months. If you get married, you want to take a vacation, or if you guys were like me and Gloria, you want to start another business to make some more cash flow and let somebody else pay off all that debt. And lastly,
Mm-hmm.
they have a preferred line of credit, which acts like an overdraft protection that goes up to $5,000.
You know, Marvin, I'm going to drop them just a little nugget, okay? Credit card debt weighs heavier on your credit than a loan. So, with a credit card, the credit bureaus don't know what your credit card balance is going to be or what your payment is going to be. So this month you may owe 20,000, next month you may owe 10,000. So that's two different payments. But with a loan, they know what your payment is. It's a set payment every single month. So that's
Mhm.
why credit card weighs heavier on your credit than a loan. So let's consolidate that, and it's going to be a twofold for you because guess what? It's going to be a cash flow changer for you as well as it's going to shoot your score through the roof.
Let's tell them more about the auto loans that they have, Gloria.
Now, Marvin, with the auto loans, they do new, use. If you want to purchase an RV or even if you want to purchase a boat, they have a loan to cover all of it, okay? And the wonderful thing about it is that you can get pre-qualified, Marvin, with no impact to your credit.
Yes, Gloria, all these products that we just talked about, you can get pre-qualified with no impact to your credit score. Also, guys, they pull Equifax. So keep in mind,
Yes.
I would have that Equifax score over 700 before I
Mm-hmm.
apply. You can also join through the American Consumer Council. And guys, we told you in the description below, type in the promo code consumer and it's no cost to join the American Consumer Council.
And keep in mind, Money Magnets, that we talk about this all the time. If you join the American Consumer Council, this is going to open up the doors not only for this credit union, but for several other credit unions.
And Glory, let's remind them on the auto loans, you can go up to 96 months for a 2024 and
Yes.
higher. That's a long time to have a payment. It's going to give you a cheaper payment. All right, guys, with the used cars, you get up to 72 months. That's almost 6 years to pay for that used car. Guys, that's a long time. Now, for you guys that love classic cars and antiques, they have a classic car auto loan that goes up to 72 months. Now, if you want a classic car, it needs to be 20 years old. An antique car, 45 years old, modified pre 49, vintage pre 1930. So for all you collectors, you need to check out this credit union. But Gloria, let's tell them about the mortgages that they have.
Okay, Marvin. One thing that I love is that they have a construction loan. So,
Yes.
like nowadays, I'm finding that sometimes it's cheaper to build a house than to go and purchase, just go right out and purchase a home. That sounds crazy, but it's actually a fact. I love that they have a construction option for you, as well as they have first time home buyers. So I know some money magnets have never purchased a home. So the first time home buyers would be a great program. And they also have for, military, or if you are a retired military, they have a VA loan that is 100%. That right there could be a cash flow changer for you.
Now, keep in mind, when you're going for the mortgages or the home loans, you want to make sure you got a contract in place, you got excellent credit, you got all of your docs in order. So now, if you're going for
Right.
mortgages, you're going to make sure you got 2 years taxes, 6 months bank statements, and you got over a 700 credit score if you really want that home. And in some cases, make sure you have anywhere from a 3% to a 10% down payment ready to get your mortgage. Now, Gloria, let's give them a quick overview of Truliant Credit Union so they know what they have to do to join and also what kind of credit score they need.
Okay, so Marvin, in order to join this credit union, like Marvin stated before, it's the American Consumer Council, and they do pull Equifax. Now, if you live in the area where they have branches, you don't need to join the American Consumer Council. Or if you have a family member that's already a part of this credit union, you can join that way as well.
And then I would make sure with my check systems that I haven't opened up a lot of bank accounts in the last 6 months.
Yes.
I would make sure on my Equifax I have less than 3 inquiries. And
Mm-hmm.
guys, start a checking account and actually make some transactions before you ask for a product. But if you got that 800 credit score, maybe you can join and apply right away. But for most of you guys, join, make some transactions, make some direct deposits, let them know that you want to actually start a relationship with the bank. And I believe you'll get better results.
Most definitely, Marvin, because I called the bank today, and Money Magnets, that check system is key, because a lot of these credit unions and institutions, they want to see what your past experience has been with other banking institutions. They did tell me that, Marvin, when I spoke with them.
And guys, remember, if you want a free business strategy call with Gloria and I, so you can raise up to 250,000 to either start your business or take
Yes.
your current business to the next level, make sure you look in the description below.
And hold up, hold up, hold up, Marvin. Let me drop this amazing gem. Money Magnets. If you're looking for another credit union that offers up to $50,000, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith,
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
and
And
we're
we're
here
here
to
to
help
help empower
empower
your
your finances.
finances.